Hello there, plant lovers. Today we talk about a real gem. It is the wonderful peace lily. Its scientific name is. This plant is a favorite for many. These lovely plants are true globetrotters. They hail from tropical rainforests, in places like Central and South America. They love warmth and humidity, not harsh, direct sunshine, mind you. More like the dappled light found under a leafy canopy. How did it get its lovely name? Well, look at its beautiful flower, that white, elegant bloom. It looks like a white flag waving, a flag of peace, you might say. Let's discover more about it. Let's admire its wonderful leaves. They are a deep, glossy green. They have a lovely lance shape. These leaves arch out gracefully, creating a full, lush appearance. They spring directly from the soil. Now for the famous flower. It is quite special, really. What we call the flower is actually a modified leaf. It's called a spathe. This spathe is usually brilliant white. It cradles the actual flowers. These are tiny on a central spike. This spike is called the spadix. Peace lilies come in various sizes. Some varieties stay quite compact, perfect for a small table. Light is very important for plants. It's the energy source that drives photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their food. Without adequate light, plants can become weak and leggy, struggling to grow and thrive. Peace lilies are quite adaptable. They can thrive in a variety of indoor environments, making them a popular choice for homes and offices. They prefer bright, indirect light. This means placing them near a window where they can get plenty of light without being exposed to the harsh rays of the sun. Think of light filtered through curtains. This kind of light is gentle and diffused, perfect for peace lilies. Too much direct sun can burn leaves. The intense light can cause the leaves to develop brown spots or edges, which is a sign of sunburn. But they also tolerate lower light. While they may not bloom as frequently in low light, they can still survive and maintain their lush green foliage. Watering is key to a happy plant. Peace lilies are sensitive to both overwatering and underwatering, so finding the right balance is crucial. Peace lilies like their soil moist. This means keeping the soil consistently damp but not soaking wet, but not soggy or waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to a host of problems, including root rot. That can lead to root rot. Root rot is a serious condition that can ultimately kill the plant if not addressed. A good rule is to wait. Before watering, check the soil moisture to ensure it's necessary. Wait until the top inch of soil is dry. This helps prevent overwatering and keeps the plant healthy, or watch the plant itself. Peace lilies are good at signaling when they need water. It will droop a little when thirsty. This is a clear sign that it's time to water. A helpful signal, isn't it? This makes it easier to care for your plant. Give it a good drink then. Ensure the water reaches the roots for optimal hydration. What about the right soil? The type of soil you use can greatly affect the health of your peace lily. A good quality potting mix works well. Look for a mix that retains moisture but also drains well to prevent waterlogging. Did you know peace lilies are clever? These plants are not just ordinary house plants. They have some extraordinary qualities that make them stand out. They are more than just beautiful. Their lush green leaves and elegant white flowers can brighten up any space, adding a touch of nature's elegance to your home. They are fantastic air purifiers. These plants can absorb harmful toxins from the air, making your living environment healthier. NASA even studied them for this. Their research showed that peace lilies are effective in removing pollutants from the air. They can help remove toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. These are common in many household items and can be harmful over time. These can be found in our homes. Everyday items like furniture, paints, and cleaning products can release these toxins from paints, plastics, or cleaners. The peace lily helps to mitigate these effects by absorbing the toxins. So this plant works hard for you. It not only beautifies your space, but also contributes to a healthier living environment. It helps to clean the air you breathe, making your home healthier. Imagine waking up to fresher air every morning, a little natural air filter. This small but mighty plant can make a big difference in your indoor air quality. This is wonderful for any room. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or office, the peace lily fits perfectly, especially bedrooms or living areas. These are places where you spend a lot of time, and cleaner air can make a significant impact. It is a lovely green helper. Its presence is calming and brings a sense of tranquility to your space. Working quietly in the corner, you might not even notice it, but it's always there, improving your air quality, bringing fresh air and beauty. The peace lily is a perfect blend of form and function. The peace lily also has lovely meanings. It symbolizes peace, purity, hope, and tranquility. It is a symbol of peace, of course. Its very name suggests calmness and serenity, and purity, hope, and tranquility. Having a peace lily in your home is like inviting a little piece of nature's serenity indoors. So why choose a peace lily? This beautiful plant is not just a pretty face, it brings so much more to your space. Well, it is wonderfully easy to care for. Even if you don't have a green thumb, the peace lily will thrive with minimal effort. It is very forgiving, as I said. If you forget to water it, it will bounce back quickly once you do. Perfect if you are just starting. It's an excellent plant for beginners who are learning the ropes of plant care. Or if you have a busy life, its low-maintenance nature makes it ideal for those who don't have much time to spare. It doesn't demand constant attention. You can go about your day without worrying about it too much. It will even tell you when it needs water. The leaves will droop slightly, giving you a clear signal by drooping its leaves slightly. Once you water it, the leaves will perk up again, showing you it's happy. A great plant for learning. It's a fantastic way to teach children about responsibility and the basics of plant care, and for building your confidence. Successfully caring for a peace lily can boost your confidence in your gardening skills. Then there is its stunning appearance. The peace lily is undeniably beautiful. Those lush, dark green leaves. They add a touch of nature and elegance to any room. They create a feeling of abundance. The foliage is so rich and full, it makes any space feel more vibrant. And the striking white blooms. These flowers are not only beautiful, but also add a touch of sophistication. They stand out so beautifully. The contrast between the white blooms and the dark green leaves is stunning, adding a touch of sophistication. The peace lily can elevate the look of any room with its presence. It can brighten up any corner. Whether it's a dimly lit area or a cozy nook, the peace lily brings light and life, whether in your home or office. It's versatile enough to fit in any environment, making it a perfect addition anywhere. A living piece of art, really. The peace lily is more than just a plant. It's a living piece of art that enhances your space.